Hey kids. So, I have two pieces of box software. I got this Windows XP Home Edition copy back in July of 2023, and didn't mean to put it there. And later on, Windows 98 in December of that same year. It was specifically Christmas Eve. I guess it's my early Christmas present, but oh shit. It won't stay up, now won't it? But I think it's time for a new thing to join the family. Oh yeah, it's been a little while since we've done a box software unboxing. Yeah, cool. And this one is Windows 2000. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so I originally announced that it was on its way, I think back in November. So what took it so long to get here? Yeah, I'm also filming on January 10th, by the way, and I'm also a little bit, I think I'm sick a little bit, but, yeah, you really can't hear my voice yet. Well, maybe you can, but I don't know. But, yeah. Here it is, everyone. In this, glorious cardboard box. Yeah. Alright. Enough chit-chat. Let's get it out of the box. It's probably screaming and, suffocating there. Lifting it out of the package and it upside down. Yeah, there it is! Woo, yeah. Alright, this is it. Windows 2000. I'm holding a copy of Windows 2000 in my hands. Yeah, cool. I'm gonna go clean this up. Alright, clean up. So, let's open it. Ooh, oh. See what it smells like. It smells pretty good in there. I'm just taking the contents out. Here's our quick start guide. You can read up on all the information you need to know. Cool book. Oh, but now we have our getting started guide. What's the difference? I don't know, but in-depth information for getting the most out of Windows 2000. So that is just neat. Alright, just, oh! Hello. We have some floppy disks. I've never owned a floppy disk before. So, yeah. Oh. So, okay, so it looks like the, I think this was the, seller's doing because, well, I mean, these are boot disks. Very generous of the owner to include that. High encryption floppy disk. Okay, what is this? It's in a seal. That just reminded me. This floppy disk has been open in like 25 years, probably. Ooh, hello. What's this? High encryption floppy disk. Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional Server and Advanced Server. What is that? What is this? Oh, cool. Well, very nice floppy disks. But of course, we have our CD. Oh, look at it. Oh, I feel glorious. Look at it. Yeah. Look at that motherfucker shine. Woo. Yeah. Very cool. Anything else in the box? No. So it doesn't look like it. I think I would want to... I honestly kind of want to keep this packaging because, like, it's like it's special, honestly. I want to keep it. I'm just throwing this in the trash. You know, I think I'll keep this packaging. I like it. I think I'll put this floppy disk in here. This floppy disk, just slide it in its little cubby. Just slide it in its little cubby. There we go. And just put that in there. How long is this? 36 pages. I guess it really is quick. And hey, look, on the back, it advertises Windows ME. What a treat. What a treat. So, Windows 2000 joins the family along with Windows 98 and Windows XP. Look at them. Look at them. Happy family. Anyways, that'll just about do it for this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.